Wow, didn't expect that. Holy shit, huh? Bitcoin flying here after CPI data comes in at 6%. Guys, welcome back here to the channel. We just did a live stream, and yes, CPI 6%. Expected was 6%. That's exactly what we got. Bitcoin flew to new heights, got as high as $26,389. Currently trading at $25,700. So dialing back a little bit, trying to find its ground here. And we're going to take you inside the Bitcoin chart right now. There you see it. That's what we're looking at right now with Bitcoin. This is the 1 minute view. Just an absolute send here this morning from 24,700 all the way up to 26,300. Almost went up $2,000 just this morning, guys. Absolutely crazy stuff on the heels of CPI coming in at 6%, which was expected. Now, if we think about this, though, there's not just that overall CPI number, right? It's a little bit deeper than that, because what may be even more important than that number is not just the overall, right, but the core, right? And that has been certainly a big one to watch. And we talked a little bit about that on the live stream this morning as well. So core inflation came in at 5.5%. And Bitcoin really liked that. So here's the big question, though. Where do we dial back to? What's going to happen next? There's some people out there who thinks this is just a big trap, and it could be. Listen, here's what we do know. We're still in some uncertain times. We're still in a situation where inflation is an issue. Recession fears are issues. All of these sort of things still exist. Now, Bitcoin, obviously, with all the things coming out related to the banks, could be like a nice hedge for people right now. But there are other people who still think we can climb up to 27,000, maybe even 30,000 before we come back down with Bitcoin later this year, and maybe even resurface back down to 15K. So right now it's a trader's paradise. The high volatility, the high swings to the upside. If you're looking to be a long-term holder, today's a day where you just enjoy the gains, right? You buy on the red, you either take profits on the green or just enjoy the gains. But what's going to happen with the Fed rate hikes? Or will we get another rate hike in 12 days? That's another big question, because before the bank runs happened here, a lot of people were giving, high probability of 50 basis point move by Jerome Powell and company with the next FOMC meeting. But now a pivot could be on the table, given what we know about the bank situation. Maybe they don't raise interest rates at all and kick the can down the road. We'll see. But here's the moral of the story. This can go a lot of different directions quickly. We saw Bitcoin fall all the way to 19,000 and then fireball all the way back up to 26,000 in just a few short days. The same thing can happen the other way. So understand that volatility is the name of the game. It's why we're in crypto. It's how we make money in crypto, but it's also why it's the most risky proposition and investment in the world, right? But we're early. Only 5% of us are here. When in doubt, zoom out. And I'm excited about what we're seeing here in 2023. Excited to be in this space with all of you early. If you want more crypto content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Ring that notification bell. A lot of people not getting notified. Make sure you're hitting that bell so you know every single time we put out another video. Appreciate you guys as always. Let's keep going forward toward financial freedom. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next video.